What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. Today, I'm going to talk about the Equifax data breach, security, litigation. For a payment of $1,500. So, if you haven't heard, Equifax was uh, they were brought into court or sued for the data breach that happened back in 2017, I believe. So I am going to post the link to the legal notice below in the video description. You guys can read more on that if you want to, because this thing is really long and I'm not going to read the entire thing to you on the video. So, a settlement has been proposed to resolve lawsuits brought against Equifax Inc. and Equifax Information Services LLC. Let's see, I'm going through it now because I don't want to bore you to death. Approximately 209,000 consumers were affected, or probably more than that, because this is one of the top three biggest credit reporting companies. There are more than that people don't really know about and don't talk about, but we're going to focus on Equifax now. So, what's included? You are a member of the settlement class and affected by the settlement if you are a financial institution in the United States, including territories. You issue one or more payment cards, including debit and credit cards identified as having such and such Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. What is this case about, you might be asking? The lawsuit refers to collectively as the financial institution track, Equifax, consumer data, security breach, yada. The financial institutions seek to recover damages in the lawsuits for the expensive payment card reinsurance amounts paid to cover fraudulent payment card charges. Okay, what does the settlement provide? Under the settlement, Equifax will pay on a claims made basis up to 5.5 million into an escrow account for payments to settlement class members who timely limit valid claims. So you have until, I believe, the end of this year in December to try to put your claim in or figure out what's going on. Settlement class members may receive up to 5,000 if they file a valid claim for reimbursement of certain out-of-pocket expenses. I know at one point they were giving out free credit monitoring for a year or two or something like that. But if you need that money, get it. If approved by the court, Equifax will pay service awards. Sorry, guys. Service awards of $1,500 to each class representative. Cost of settlement, administration, and notice will also be paid separately by Equifax. How do you ask for payment? That's what you really want to know, right? A detailed notice and claim form package contains everything you need. Just call the number or visit the website below to get one. To qualify for a payment, you must send in a complete and valid claim form, which can be submitted electronically or by mail by December 31st, 2020. What are your other options? If you do not want to be legally bound by the settlement, you must exclude yourself by September 2nd, 2020, or you will not be able to sue or continue to sue Equifax or any other defendants, released persons, as defined in the settlement agreement. For any of the claims resolved by the settlement, to exclude yourself, you must provide all required information. If you exclude yourself, you cannot get any money from this settlement. You better hurry up and file. The court will hold a hearing in this case on October 22nd, 2020 at 2 p.m. to consider whether to approve the settlement. At the hearing, the court will also consider a request by the lawyers representing settlement class members for attorney fees. So you guys, if you want information, write this down. It's 1-855-968-4292, or visit Equifax databreachsettlement.com, and I will put it in this video below. Sorry, it was a lot of stuff to give to you, but we need this information. Share it. If you guys like it, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. Did it affect you? Did this affect you? It probably did, because I'm going for it now as soon as I post this video. See you guys next time on Financier Pro. My next video probably will be about universal basic income. That has been a big topic lately since this COVID-19 hit. So see you guys next time on Financier Pro.